God bless the Crockett family. Oops. Thank you, Wayne Watson. Woo.
Here's the paddle.
Thank you very much. Which way do I need to go?
Well, let's go this way first.
Ooh, look at me staring like I knew what I was doing. Hey YouTube, what's up? We're out here in the pond.
Yeah, we're just creeping along out here, wanting to see what it looks like.
We just got on the boat. Didn't even get out in the water, did we? And it started sprinkling.
Yeah, it started raining. You probably see behind us it's pretty dark. Hopefully it went that way though. So
it's a beautiful summer day.
yeah, it's probably about 80, low 80s right now. You know, pretty nice. A few little sprinkles here and there. Keeps us cool.
Oh yeah. With my sunglasses on, it looks really dark back there. Sprinkling a little.
Yeah, you can see this is, we're going to find out how far down my berm is.
Oh, okay. It's before that fence.
You can see it starting right here to your left. See right here where this grass is?
Yes.
It's going to be the berm.
Yes, it's touching right here.
Right, so another foot and the top of the berm will be showing. Let's go down this way.
Hey honey, is that a lily pad?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we used to have the pond was full for years. We had one year it got covered with lily pads.
Yeah, overtaken with them.
Yeah, it was bad, but you'd see little turtles sitting up on top of them, and it was really exciting. They made beautiful flowers. And then those, after the water lily dies off, or before, after it has that wooden pod.
It has it's a
with
pod
seeds
full
in
of
it.
Seeds.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I wonder how deep it is right here. It should be almost over the berm.
Yeah, it's right here.
That's the top of the berm right there. Yeah. I'm gonna go down that way, try to follow down that line of grass. I want to see how how far the berm is underwater. Probably deeper out here, I'm not sure.
We watch Oklahoma Adrenaline Life. He's always fishing or doing something all the time. That boy loves to fish. And so this memory's for you, Preston. Thinking of you, bud.
Yeah, the berm is underneath us here.
We're over the berm. Over the berm.
We're going to go in a circle.
Okay, now what do I do?
Well, just let me keep turning. Okay, start pulling. There you go.
He's the skipper, I'm just Gilligan. Oh. It's just so relaxing.
Yeah. Just bypassed us.
Yeah. It's really dark. Gooby's doing good, in case any of y'all care or wondering. He wanted to come out here, but I just didn't know how he would do, and I didn't want to mess with it.
See way over there, that blue barrel of mine? Back over there.
do.
Yeah, we'll have to go over there one of these days and rescue that barrel.
But obviously there's water all the way over there. You can't see it. Excuse me. You can't see it because of all this grass and stuff. There's water. Now, honey, you've probably told these folks before, but is that area over there still a wildlife?
Well, further over to the right where those trees are.
I guess it'll always be is it a wildlife, not reservation,
it's
but
a
spot? Audubon.
Audubon's Society runs it. It's, I think, the Louise Trent Bird Sanctuary.
So, you know, if they thought enough to make it a bird sanctuary right here, that we do have some interesting birds.
Yeah, well, they found that duck that year that was from Siberia. That's the first one seen over here in the States. Blown off course, they said.
This looks pretty good. I don't know. I guess they'll see it when we go somewhere. Oh, that green algae is on the bottom, but it looks like you can just walk across under those trees, but you can't. They'll see it when we go back that way.
These birds make a nest up in the...
I see the nest.
Yeah.
That's a big nest.
That's those blackbirds.
Oh, wow. That's a big nest.
Then you'll have these seagulls come around and they'll start trying to rob them. I don't know if they got to see the nest there. Let's see.
Big nest. And there's one too. Look. Or look, people.
Paddle backwards.
Paddle backwards.
Yeah, there you go.
The skipper is
Try to
good
get a
at
little
giving
closer.
directions.
Okay. Don't get in the bush. Claw you up good. But yeah, you can see the bird nest right here.
And there was more, right? Was that the only one? Oh, there's two.
There's several of them there, but I want to see if I can get close enough to this one.
Still sprinkling a little, y'all. Oh no, I don't want no mama to come flog us.
2 eggs.
How big are they and what color are they?
Well, I don't want to touch them.
No, just tell us.
See if I can get down low enough without them rolling
Oh
out.
no, I don't want to be responsible for that.
Look in there.
Oh, they're little blue. Or I can't see. Is it a little blue egg?
They look kind of bluish color.
Like a little robin egg you get at Easter. Those little candies.
Okay, let's go to the mom. We'll
Oh,
get
yeah.
some now. Hopefully y'all got to see that. I don't know.
You want to go around the island
Yeah.
again? We did this one time when Matt was here. On a video is what I'm saying.
See, that's daddy and 2 mama birds right there. That big black one is the male.
I just want that daddy to know
Looks like there's 4 females there. He's got him a little hair on.
he does, and I don't want nothing to do with y'all, so don't be attacking.
Let's spin around right here and
Okay.
show them.
Our view of, not that way, I know.
Well, let's just keep going.
Okay,
I want to go around the circle.
all right.
Okay, let go. Quickly. Just a minute.
Okay, just tell me when.
I'm going to spin us around. We're going to look the other way.
All right. All right.
I don't
Good
know if
deal.
y'all can see or not the view.
They
That
might
goes
be just seeing that view. I don't know.
just paddle backwards.
Oh, so they can see?
Right. Now we can, if you want, to stop and turn the camera around and we can go the other way.
Do I have to get up there and do that?
Yeah.
No.
I'm going to turn it off.
No.
Yeah, just watch. I'm going to turn it off.
Well, that little shower passed and it came out hot.
Yeah, it did. Let's see if we can go up towards those nest over there and show them.
Those birds gonna be mad.
Yeah, she was already at that one nest.
There's one.
That's the male.
Big blackbirds make big nests. there's eggs in that first one. I hope they don't come get us.
Well, we can turn slowly.
That way? There's one nest, two nests. I don't know, are those other nests?
Yeah. So now we're looking towards the island.
So the camera is videoing that way?
Mm-hmm.
They don't see us? Okay. Y'all missing out. Now, we call it an island. It's probably got what, two,
Let's go
three,
towards it.
huh?
Pedal towards it.
4 or 5 trees on there. Big ones, and then a lot of undergrowth. I think it's pretty.
Pedal towards it. Or you want me to just pedal?
No,
I will.
no, it's okay. I just forget what I'm doing. Are we gonna go around it?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, this way?
No, we'll go this way. I'm just trying to get up closer.
Oh.
You can see the grapevine straight ahead.
What kind of grapes are they?
That's going to be those Mustang grapes like they have at the ranch. We just need some hippopotamuses and alligators to jump out of the grass.
That would be interesting. What's that? Oh, that's never mind.
Probably about 2.5 feet. Something like that here. This is the part that I didn't finish dredging now that I was going to, but eventually it'll go back down and be enough where I can start digging a little bit.
Pretty peaceful with the roosters crowing in the background.
All this green stuff that you see along the edges, that's duckweed. I know when we had our ducks here, man, they would just sit out here and just go to town on it. Look like little vacuum cleaners. Spin around, show them this
This way?
side. Let's see. Oh, trigger. And that rope swing is still there.
What was that?
Oh, probably a turtle maybe. But you can see, hold on, you see that rope swing right there.
That green one.
See if you can reach it
No.
with your paddle. Let me get up there.
Oh, man. You gonna swing on? Are you gonna go try to get it?
No.
Oh, how come?
Well, go ahead, it's right there.
No, you. It's just right there. Now, swing off of it. You have to jump that way though, because the camera can't see you. You got a wallet on or anything? No, you got a phone?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna do it. kids used to get on, play on.
You missed an opportunity.
I need to catch my goats and throw them on this island. Let them go to town on it.
How
Not
deep?
like they wouldn't have any food and water.
How deep do you think it is? Oh.
You touched it?
No, I can't go in it.
No.
Probably 10 feet or more.
We know it right now. We know it's at least. That's about 5 feet. But I never hit the bottom, so I don't know.
Right.
I didn't even really dig out anything here. This is up next to the island. Probably a lot deeper over there, but up here.
Hope
Let's
you
go back
guys
that way.
hope you guys are enjoying watching watching us.
Mess around.
Well, they're not watching us, they're watching our view. Right?
Watching our yard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see the dog walking by? Is that Sarge laying there?
Yeah, it looks like by the tree.
Can you believe I could see that? I just see a,
Black dot there.
yeah, and assume that's him.
Yeah. Bama's sitting beside him. This is that wood pile that I have out here. Let's kind of cruise over the edge of it. I want to see what it looks like underwater. I see a log right there in the water. Yeah. So this is about 6 foot deep right here. Yeah, it's just peaceful out here. Cruising. I guess we'll dock it in that tank there.
You would have to have it where the camera's facing that way when we dock. Alright, people. Put your bets in now. You think we're going to get out of this boat dry or wet and muddy? It's gone down all kind of ways.
She's done the splits a few times. I say, just let go. I can't.
Where are we going? Up this thing?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, right between those two. Hopefully that'll go down.
Boom. Shut off.
It's usually done with the, okay, let's back up and put on the dirt, because this is, I usually do this with the motor. And shove us up on there. Now I'm going to go to